We have very detailed policies and procedures covering all the areas of our operations, and that gives us a very solid operating framework.
This center where we are now is the biggest indigenous, privately owned hospital facility in East and Central Africa. But hosting presidents and other high-profile patients in this place is not probably the most important aspect of this hospital. I think one cannot take lightly the extension services, the branches across the country which are growing by the day, the extension services in terms of education to people who need to know more about heart diseases, which is their area of specialization, extension services through their charity initiative, Heart to Heart Foundation, which has ensured that more than 500 children who may have died if the intervention was not done by the current hospital. And to that, I think they deserve a clap.
This time and season is for me to hand over. This time and season is for you to take over. So as you take over, a few pieces of advice are: 1, continue to dream big. I am a dreamer, and I think I've taught you how to dream. Your dream is a blueprint for your career. It will afford you the focus of what really matters. Follow your audacious dream in both good and bad days of leadership, because there will be bad days.
This ultimate authority to serve, the Holy Bible, is presented to Mrs. Juliet Wamaitha Gikonyo Nyaga, BSc, the second CEO of the current hospital, on Thursday, the 20th of August 2020. So you have all authority given to you.
I feel extremely grateful for this opportunity to work towards a brighter future for the Karen Hospital. With the support of the Board of Directors, shareholders, management team, and staff complement of the entire Karen Hospital. It truly is a special day, but one filled with mixed emotions. I'm excited and ready and willing to embark on a new journey of leadership. I want to give you a message of a renewed vision, and that is the theme of today.